Song. You are live on Vuma FM Adult Radio for the Young at Heart. As I've been mentioning, we are at Sidara College of Agriculture. It's a graduation day. Congratulations to all the graduates. So coming here, I was just expecting to just meet graduates, all good people, but then I met my brother. Ngihamba kanjani?
Ngiyaphila mfowethu, uhamba kanjani?
Hayi ngiyaphila bafu, ngiyaphila. Ngiyazi ukuthi umuntu oyithanda ezemfundo, this is not even your first qualification if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, no, that's correct.
That's correct. But talk to me about the journey. Wenza lezi zifundo, how was it?
Yeah, ukwenza agriculture akhona ama challenges, yes, but it's quite an interesting journey, playing around with tractors, playing around with animals, playing around with crops. Yeah, it brings hopes, hope nokuthi uzokwazi ngelinye ilanga ucontribute positively to society, feeding our nation. Yeah, so bekumnandi ukufunda lapha, but bekukhona nokundomzima esibuke sibhekene nawo.
What's your qualification?
A diploma in agriculture.
Diploma in agriculture.
Yes.
Manje mangibheka lapha ephepheni ilist yama graduate, you're the first one on top. Why is that?
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi ukusebenza ngifikela ngazosebenza impela. Angizukugcina ngokubamba igeja kuphela kodwa academically including practically bengisebenza ngokuyikhandla kakhulu, and so ngiphezulu ngoba bengibe top achiever.
Great stuff, Uzuzwele. My brother, talk to me about the reason why you chose to get into this field and what do you hope to achieve in the long run?
Okay, firstly, I left teaching before coming here, so it was a huge decision. It was a difficult one to make because I had already formed a positive relationship with my students and but what I realized ukuthi uma usebenza under either a government or a corporate, you do not have that much of freedom. So agriculture ngidraw ukuthi ngifuna first ngangifunda ama financial literacy books, so they were talking about financial freedom, so that was my main drive, financial freedom, but also ngiyayithanda agriculture, and so ngayo ngifuna create ama job opportunities. I don't want to be an employee, I want to be an employer. Yeah,
great stuff indeed. My final question for you, my brother, is njengoba ubufunda nje iziphi inqubo oyithathile just to ensure ukuthi you get here today, not only get here but get here as a top achiever, nanokuthi ungathini nje kulabo abazolandela emva kwakho?
Yeah, izinqubo engizithathile to ensure that I get here. It took a great sacrifice. Yeah, because ngoba ngisho ukuthi ezinye izinto engayishiya ngangikade ngiyithanda, like I really love teaching in a way that nakhona la ngiqhubekele ngenza into efanayo uma ngifika la ngasiza abafowethu nodadewethu ngibasiza ngokuthi ngibafundise, kodwa okuyikhona khona nje okukhulu kakhulu, ngingathi bengisizwa nawo uNkulunkulu besikhonza khona lapho, bekungakhathaleki ukuthi khonza kephi inkonzo, so besihlangana singabafundi nanokuthi ke abanye bembuye ngizama ngazo zonke indlela ukuthi ngiyabagqugquzela ukuthi beze sizofunda. So yeah, ukusebenza kwethu bekuyikuthi asilali kahle nabo abeze emva kwami, ngingabagqugquzela ukuthi awulindi ukuthi kuzobe isikhathi sokufunda, ufundela ama exams ukuze uqale ukufunda, mayiqala iterm nje hlala phe kwencwadi.
My brother, TK, this is my brother. Njengoba dingisho nje omkhulu bethu bayalamana, so ubaba wakhe nje makoloda baba wami lo impela mfethu usiphakamisile isibongo sakamgeke. You're doing great, my brother. Thank you very much and congratulations. Congratulations, man. Thank you very much. That's us Tembi.